Good morning everyone. We are the Pinakas of Honey Locust. Today we are presenting an activity on our internal body parts. Brain. Brain is controls all the organs of our body.
Start.
All of us eat food. Do you know where does the food go from your mouth? I will tell you. From the mouth. Food goes into a pipe called food pipe. The hard part of our body are bones. Behind bones, there are muscles. Skin, bones, and muscles give a shape to the body and help the body to move. Lungs help us to breathe. Heart supplies blood to the all parts of the body. From the stomach, the food goes from the food pipe. The food goes into the stomach. The stomach turns the food into a fine paste. Good and healthy food always make the stomach happy.